So hello everyone, in this video we are seeing how to send SharePoint data, okay, means this data into an Outlook in the formatted HTML table. Okay, so let's I go to the make.power automate, okay, and let's use your instant cloud flow. Okay, let's provide the name to our flow, send SharePoint data on email. Let's click on the manual trigger, just click on the create. Okay, so after create, let's we add an action and type here SharePoint. Okay, click on this icon. Okay, get item. So from here we need the get item action. Okay, in the get item action we need to provide the SharePoint site address here. Okay, so my site address is here patch example one. Okay, and list is holiday. Let's I select holiday. Simply click on the show advanced parameter. Okay, you can set here top count. Okay, so in my case only 10, so keeping it 10. Okay, so if you have to filter this SharePoint list, okay, on the basis of some specific column, so you can use this order filter query. Okay, order by, if you want to order ascending descending, so you can be use this order by and limit column views and other things. Okay, so after that let's we click on the plus icon. Okay, add an action, we will use here select. Okay, we will use direct here built-in action. Okay, no need of select. Okay, in the built-in action we will go to data operations. In the data operation we have create HTML table. Okay, so we simply click on the show all here. Okay, change here automatic to custom. Okay, in the form we will select the body. Okay, let's provide the header. Okay, which column we want. Okay, title I want. Okay, and date and ID I need. Okay, so let's provide here title. Let's use a dynamic content and provide here title. Let's use here date. Okay, so let's I go and select the date and time column. Let's we use a date and time, and we need ID, so let's I use ID here. Okay, and use dynamic content. Okay, ID. So our HTML table is created. Let's we go add an action here. We will use here Outlook. So we have different outlooks. Okay, Office 365, outlook.com, and email address. So we have to go to the Outlook. Okay, this is integrated with cloud services. Okay, so that's why we need to select this. Don't confuse here. Okay, send an email v2 action we need. Okay, let's provide the email address to whom we need to share this data here. Okay, so let's I share to myself. Okay, Ravindra. It is loading, it takes some time. Okay, so you can be see it is loaded. So here we need to click on the this icon. Okay, switch to code view. Okay, and here we can be write the CSS. Okay, and also we can be use our create HTML. So let's I go and use output of create HTML. Let's add an action here. Okay, to add CSS to our HTML table, so it will look good. Okay, let's use compose. Okay, compose is a placeholder. Okay, you can directly type in the Outlook as well, or you can be use compose action as well. Okay, it is same in the both way. So compose is action is added. Let's we rename this action and type here CSS. Let's use the input here. Okay, so let's I go to here. Okay, and type power automate CSS for HTML table. Yeah, good to go. So after searching, we will get multiple blocks here. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, which one you like. Okay, I'm using SP guides one. Okay, so my site is loading. Okay, okay, site is loaded now. Okay, we need the CSS from this block. Okay, nothing much more. Okay, so this is the CSS. Okay, we need this CSS. So let's I go and copy this CSS simply. Control C. Let's I go to make dot power automate one more time. Okay, so the what's happening? Okay, we not need this. Okay, so let's say delete. Parallel branching is happen. No need. The CSS we simply provide the input. Okay, and in the send an email action we will add a CSS. Okay, before the our HTML table. Okay, so we have CSS, then we have HTML table, then we have other parameters. Okay, if you have to add some attachment other things you can be do it here. Okay, but that is not our goal. Okay, of this video. So this is power automate flow we have. Simply I just click on the save. Subject is required. Okay, so let's provide the subject. Share point list data on email, and simply just click on the save. Here is some typo mistake, please ignore that. Okay, let's fix this, no problem. Save. Okay, so flow is saving one more time, and we will trigger our flow now. Click on the test manually. Test. This flow use following apps. A green check means you are ready to go. Okay, so we will get one tick mark here. Okay, we will get here. Okay, for office permission also. Let's click on continue. Click on run flow. It is preparing to run the flow. Okay, let's simply click on done. Let's we open our Outlook still. Okay, it will take some time. Simply I just click on Outlook. If you see here as well, okay, our flow run successfully. We send an email as well. Let's we see how our emails look like. So I just open Outlook. Yeah, so friends, you can be see we receive an email successfully. Yep, and it is loading. So let's I showcase you the our table as well. So you can be see very formatted table we will get here. Okay, thank you friends. If you have any doubt, any question, you just ask me into comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to you.